Happy Veganuary, day 12. Today we're making Minnesota wild rice in honor of amazing Minnesotans. I bought dainty wild rice from Windsor, Ontario, but if you can find Minnesota rice in the stores, please feel free to buy it despite elbows up. Most Minnesota wild rice, known as Manoomin or Goodberry, is hand-harvested from lakes in canoes by the Ojibwe people using traditional sustainable methods. Today I wanted to say to the people of Minnesota, thank you. Apparently, as many as 50,000 of you braved bitter cold with temperatures starting as low as -29 Celsius to march through the streets of Minneapolis yesterday to protest Trump and demand an end to ICE as a part of a general strike. 2 children, a 5-year-old boy and a 2-year-old toddler, have been abducted by ICE this past week. If you've seen my channel before, you know how passionate I am about kids' rights. The UN Convention of the Rights of a Child is a legally binding international treaty that outlines the rights of every child, and ICE and the US government are not respecting those rights, not keeping them safe, and not protecting our planet for them. If you are in another state, please consider joining Minnesota and walk out of school, walk out of work, protest tomorrow, visit your representatives, and let's get back to saving the world. The recipe is in the comments below. Alright, let's try it. It looks really good. I've never had this type of rice before. Apparently people have it on Thanksgiving. That's really good. The mushrooms are really good, and the onion and the celery is amazing as well. The rice has a really nutty texture, which I like. And remember, together we can save the world. Thanks, bye.